is peeing throughout. You see that? You see the urine? Look at the look between the legs.
Yeah.
He's leaking.
Yeah.
You know the meaning of that? He is in a mast.
Oh.
This is the time now he is in breeding mode. He's just moving around looking for females in heat. Feels like I did touch one. Feels like a sponge, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Dense sponge. Sound. Good.